Rain on the window taps a slow ballet. Umbrellas in the street drift away. Puddles form rivers that guide my way. Warmth from my coffee in a cozy cafe. Books and whispers fill the air. Soft jazz rides the steam without a care. Raindrops on rooftops like rhythmic snare. In this haven of peace I pull up a chair. Raindrops fall, it's a mellow sound.